Protein powder is a staple in the diet of athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to add extra protein to their meals. The most common way to use protein powder is, of course, in a basic shake. But why stop there when there are so many creative ways to incorporate protein into your meals and snacks? In this video, we'll explore 10 unexpected ways to use protein powder that go beyond the classic shake. Whether you're looking to make your meals more protein-packed, satisfy your sweet tooth, or try something new, these protein powder hacks are for you. Protein-packed pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? They're a classic breakfast treat, but they don't always pack much of a nutritional punch. That's where protein powder comes in. By adding a scoop of protein powder to your pancake mix, you can easily turn your favorite breakfast into a muscle-building meal. Whether you're using a traditional pancake mix or making your own from scratch, just add a scoop of protein powder to the batter. The result is fluffy, filling pancakes that are loaded with protein to fuel your morning. For added flavor, you can mix in some cinnamon, vanilla extract, or even a handful of berries. Top with a drizzle of honey or a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra protein boost. This protein-packed twist on pancakes is perfect for anyone trying to increase their protein intake while still enjoying delicious, comforting foods. Plus, it's a great way to start your day feeling full and satisfied without the usual carb-heavy, sugar-loaded breakfast. Protein-infused smoothies. Smoothies are another easy way to consume protein powder, but you can take it up a notch by getting creative with your smoothie recipes. While the simple fruit and protein powder smoothie is fine, why not add some extra ingredients to turn it into a powerhouse meal? Try mixing protein powder with almond milk, frozen berries, spinach, chia seeds, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. This will give you a nutrient-dense, creamy smoothie that packs protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. For a tropical twist, blend protein powder with coconut milk, pineapple, mango, and a bit of turmeric. This creates a refreshing smoothie that's loaded with flavor and packs a serious protein punch. You can even add Greek yogurt for a creamier texture and extra protein. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and add-ins to create your ultimate smoothie. Protein ice cream. Protein ice cream is one of those "why didn't I think of that" ideas. If you love ice cream but want a healthier, more protein-packed alternative, you can easily make your own protein ice cream at home. The basic ingredients for protein ice cream include protein powder, almond milk, and a sweetener of your choice. Mix them together and freeze the mixture for a few hours. If you prefer a smoother texture, blend it occasionally while it's freezing to break up ice crystals. For flavor, you can mix in chocolate chips, peanut butter, fruit, or even a dash of vanilla extract. The best part, this protein ice cream will satisfy your sweet tooth while giving you a healthy serving of protein, making it a great post-workout treat or late-night snack. The next time you're craving ice cream, skip the store-bought sugary varieties and whip up a healthier, protein-packed alternative. Protein coffee, Proffee. If you're a coffee lover, why not combine your caffeine fix with a protein boost? Protein coffee, or Proffee, is exactly what it sounds like: coffee mixed with protein powder. This combo gives you the energy and mental alertness from the coffee, plus the muscle-repairing benefits of the protein. Simply brew your coffee as usual, let it cool slightly, and then stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. You can blend it for a frothy texture or stir it in with a spoon if you prefer a simpler drink. For a creamier dessert, try adding a bit of almond milk or coconut milk. It's a great way to enjoy your morning coffee while getting a dose of protein to kickstart your day. You can also add sweeteners or flavorings like vanilla extract, cocoa powder, or cinnamon to make it more interesting. Protein-fortified soups and stews. This might sound unusual, but you can add protein powder to soups, stews, and even chili to make them more filling and protein-packed. Adding a scoop of unflavored or savory protein powder to your favorite soup or stew not only boosts the protein content, but also thickens the consistency, which can make the dish more hearty and satisfying. Try adding protein powder to a vegetable soup, a chicken noodle stew, or even beef chili. You can choose an unflavored protein powder or one with savory seasoning so the taste blends seamlessly into your dish. This hack is a great way to increase your protein intake without compromising on taste or texture. Protein granola. Granola is another popular snack that's often loaded with sugar. By adding protein powder, you can make it a healthier, more balanced snack. Homemade protein granola is easy to make. Simply mix rolled oats, nuts, seeds, sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and a scoop of protein powder. Then bake it in the oven until it's golden and crispy. Protein granola can be enjoyed on its own, or you can add it to yogurt or smoothies for an extra protein boost. It's a crunchy, satisfying snack that can curb your cravings for sugary snacks while providing you with a good amount of protein to keep you energized and full. Make a batch and store it in an airtight container for a healthy snack option throughout the week. Protein pancake mix for pre-workout fuel. Pre-workout meals are crucial for ensuring you have enough energy during your workout, and protein pancakes make the perfect pre-workout snack. By mixing protein powder with oats, eggs, and a small amount of baking powder, you can create a delicious and nutritious pancake batter that's high in protein and carbs to fuel your workout. Pair your protein pancakes with a side of fruit, like berries or a banana, for an additional carbohydrate boost. This will help replenish glycogen stores and give you the energy you need to power through your training session. You can also experiment with different protein powder flavors to create unique pancake variations. These protein pancakes are a great way to start your workout on the right foot. If you enjoyed these protein powder hacks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Protein Me Crazy, share your favorite high-protein meals in the comments below.